But right now, mga kapamilya, our top 3 semi-finalists, we give you Carl Tion, Manza, at FM Lightrick.
Congratulations!
Eto na, ang tanong. Sino sa inyong tatlo ang nagtapuan sa botohan for the week? Listen carefully. We will see you next week sa the final showdown. Congratulations to Carl Tion! Isa lang sa inyo ang kukompleto sa listahan ng 8 Grand Finalists.
Magaling!
Kanina pupunta ang huling slot sa Grand Finals. Ang judges vote sa pagbabalik ng Pilipinas! Yup, nagbabalik ang live semifinals ng Pilipinas Got Talent! And again, we say congratulations to Carl Tion for making it to the final showdown. Let's give a big round of applause. Good luck sa inyong dalawa. And to our judges, best of luck. Magsimula tayo ngayon kay Boss FMG.
Pinahirapan niyo ako. Golden Buzzer FM Lightrick.
Boss, how about you, Kat?
My vote goes to
Judge Donnie. Manza. Boto na lang kailangan mo at kasama ka na sa Grand Finals FM Lightricks. 1 vote para magtay at kung gano'n, babalik tayo sa naging boto ng Taong Bayan at ang nakakuha ng second highest number of votes ang kasama namin sa the final showdown next week. The final vote for the semis ay manggagaling sa inyo, Judge Eugene.
Poured into your performance. Kahit kailan hindi namin yan i-discredit. But I would like to celebrate tonight with FM Lightrick.
We have a tie!
Yes, the judges' votes are in. 2 votes para kay Manza and 2 votes para sa FM Lightricks.
Mga bistak silang dalawa!
That is true. Dahil nag-tie sila sa boto ng judges, babalikan natin ang naging resulta ng botohan. At ang act na nakuha ng second highest number of online votes tonight ang makakasama natin sa Grand Finals.
Isigaw niyo na kung sino ang gusto yung makapasok sa Grand Finals! I think they are very ready, Romany! Romany, go!
Manza, FM Lightricks ang nakakuha ng second highest number of online votes at magiging ikawalong Grand Finalist ng PGT Season 7 ay... Let's take a look! Congratulations to...
going to be eventful.
Eventful, Boss FFG.
Boss LG.
One more, boss.
Good luck to everybody.
Good luck to everyone.
Tony.
Legendary.
And Kevin. Definitely. Maraming salamat for joining us in this wild semi-finals ride